These steamed date puddings are so quick and easy to prepare. They will be your go-to dessert when you get caught short. Adding hot water and baking soda to the dates helps them soften. This recipe is so easy because there is no creaming involved. It's just all literally in one bowl. Once the dates have softened, we can add egg and the rest of the dry ingredients. We're serving these today in ramekins, so we're greasing them with some baking spray. Distribute the batter into ramekins, and we're steaming these at 100 degrees. While these are steaming, we can quickly make our butterscotch sauce. Once the steamed puddings have been removed from the oven, we just need them cool a little bit so that we can safely remove them from the ramekins and serve with mountains of butterscotch sauce.